Welcome to Mac Volkswagen TV. At Mac Volkswagen, we like to have fun. This is Joe Hergert with Mac Volkswagen. In this video, we're going to show you how to hook up Apple CarPlay on your new 2022 Volkswagen ID4. The cool thing about the ID4 is when you sit in the seat, that turns it on. If you haven't registered your Volkswagen yet, you may get this screen. Your salesman will help you register your Volkswagen. First thing you're going to do is go to Settings, Bluetooth, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see that your Volkswagen ID4 will come up right here. Mine is named My ID4. You can change that name by going to Settings, Media, select Bluetooth and Audio, push this right here, that's Settings. Right there's the device name. Go in here, name it whatever you want. We're just going to go quick with My VW. We're going to push OK. And now if you wait a second, changed right there, My VW. You can change it back to My ID4. It's that easy. Alright, if we want to install Apple CarPlay, we're just going to push right there. It's going to show it spinning, it's going to pair. We're going to say yes, we pair. Allow it to sync the favorites and contacts. You want it to sync your favorites and contacts because it only works when your phone is in the car. So if somebody else gets your car, they can't see your favorites and contacts unless your phone is in the car. So you want to say allow, and that makes it so much easier because all of your contacts and favorites go right onto the screen. Alright, now it's asking if we want to use Apple CarPlay. We're going to use Apple CarPlay. So we're going to go for that. Turn on Wi-Fi, use Apple CarPlay. So nice that you have wireless Apple CarPlay in your ID4. If by chance you get this message that says it cannot connect, just locate the vehicle on your phone there and push it, and it connects right up, just like that. If Apple CarPlay does not immediately open up at this point, go ahead and push the little square right here to get your menu button open. And then you can push it again, and it's actually going to bring up all of the Volkswagen apps. Go ahead and push App Connect. And then you'll see right there it says Apple CarPlay. Go ahead and push that, push Use Apple CarPlay, and there you go. You have Apple CarPlay. Thanks for watching another Mac Volkswagen video. See us on the web at macvolkswagen.com. Stop by at 1920 Northeast 99 West, McMinnville, Oregon. Or give us a call, 877-721-5794. Mac Volkswagen, in the heart of wine country.